Hey everyone, so today I'm heading up to Flagstaff, Arizona for the night. I'm actually on my way up to Utah, but today I'm only going to make it up to Flagstaff. I started out this morning on the 17 highway, and after a while I just got kind of bored with it, and it's just kind of a rat race on the freeway, so I decided to dip off the highway, come over to 89A and take the back way into Flagstaff. So I'm getting ready now to pass through Jerome, Arizona, which is a super cool town. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have much time to stay there. I'm going to kind of just drive through it, but I'll definitely take you guys back there sometime. Maybe stay in one of the haunted hotels in Jerome. It's a pretty cool historic town, just kind of dangling off the side of the mountain. It's pretty unique. And then I'm also going to go through Sedona, which definitely is beautiful. So we got some pretty scenic riding today, and I got to find somewhere to camp. I'm not 100% where I'm going yet. I do know there's a ton of dispersed camping near Flagstaff though, so I'm just going to get up there and see what I can find. But for now, I'm in the Mingus Mountains. I'm about to make it through Jerome, like I said, and we're going to go from there. Alright, so this is Jerome. Well, just about. There we go, this is where it starts. And you can see it's just buildings just built right into the mountain. It's really wild, really cool place. I really love coming up here, and it's an awesome ride to get up here too, which is a bonus. But it's just a really cool little town. It's a couple of good restaurants, a couple of hotels. I've actually never stayed at any hotels here. But like I said, if I bring you guys up here again sometime, maybe I'll stay in one of those hotels, check that out, and spend the night up here. There's also a museum or a historic something or other that I've never checked out, and I'd really love to, so maybe I'll come up here and do that in a couple weeks. There's also a really great tattoo shop up here. I'm getting a couple tattoos done. They're really good in there. Haunted Hamburger right here. This is pretty good. They have a view bar, which is pretty spectacular, looking out over the valley. Here's the tattoo shop. Some cool shops along this drag right here. This is kind of the main area. Maynard from the band Tool actually has a wine restaurant up here, and a pretty cool store too. I don't know if you're familiar with who he is, but pretty famous rock star. And I guess he lives somewhere in the area too, maybe in Prescott. This coffee shop right here on the corner is good, but they have just the most bizarre hours. They're just kind of open when they're open and closed when they're closed, but it's pretty good. They make good espresso in there. And these are some of the hotels. This is the one I really want to stay in on the end here. Ghost City Inn. Looks pretty cool. Anyways, that's Jerome. Now we're gonna head over to Sedona, and then we're gonna take another one of my favorite rides in Arizona through Oak Creek Canyon. Really spectacular. It's actually a nice way to get into Sedona, to come down through the canyon into Sedona. But the way we're going to enter Sedona is also pretty spectacular. Really can't go wrong, actually. Alright, so I found a campground that's about 25 minutes away. It's right on a lake. Looks really beautiful. The pictures that I saw on Google Maps were pretty impressive. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find a spot to camp though, because it seems like there's a lot of people camping in the area, and I have a feeling this place might get pretty crowded just because it's right on a lake. Gonna go over there and check it out anyway. It's about 25 minutes away, just outside of Flagstaff, so we'll see how it is. Right, this looks pretty good. I don't see the lake. Alright, this is good enough. There's a lot of people in here. I'm surprised there were actually quite a few open spots though. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. I'm all set up at camp. I'm going to make some dinner and watch the sunset. Tune in next week. I will be heading up to Utah near Zion and doing a little tour of southern Utah. So definitely check that out next week. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.